In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize content efficiently in Microsoft Word. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. The single most powerful habit in Word is using styles. Start by structuring your document with built-in heading styles in order. Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and so on. Avoid skipping levels, because that's what gives Word a clean hierarchy to understand. With headings in place, open the Navigation pane from the View tab. You'll see an interactive outline of your document on the left. Click any heading to jump instantly to that section, and drag headings up or down to move entire sections. Subheadings and body text come along automatically. When the structure looks right, generate a professional table of contents in seconds from the References tab. Because it's based on your headings, it stays accurate and can be updated anytime. For different layouts within one file, don't fight the page setup. Insert a next page section break from Layout, Breaks. This gives that section its own settings, so you can switch just one page to landscape for a wide table, change margins for a chapter, or restart page numbering cleanly. Section breaks keep formatting changes contained and predictable. To speed up content entry and keep it consistent, save recurring blocks, like disclaimers, signatures, or standard paragraphs, as quick parts from the Insert tab. Name them clearly, and you can insert them anywhere with a couple of clicks. For short expansions, set up autocorrect in File, Options, Proofing. Create unique shortcuts that expand into full phrases automatically, which reduces errors and ensures consistent wording. And when you need lists, use Word's bullet and numbering tools on the Home tab instead of typing numbers by hand. This keeps indentation uniform and makes it easier to apply styles or convert lists into an outline later. When you have related data, put it in a table so it's easy to read and manage. Tables are perfect for specifications, features, or contact details. If you need to reorder information, select the table and use Sort on the Table Tools Layout tab to sort alphabetically or numerically. Be sure to mark whether the table has a header row so Word sorts correctly. Finally, keep collaboration tidy with track changes and comments on the Review tab. All edits and feedback stay in one file, so you avoid messy versions and email threads. Review suggestions, reply to comments, and accept or reject changes when you're ready. Combine these tools and your documents will be structured, navigable, consistent, and collaboration ready. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.